Yeah.
It's just another hang glider.
Oh yeah, just another.
Just
I
another
actually
hang
like
glider.
these flat things. They're nice.
You'll have fun. You're gonna love it.
Little. We'll run on this one.
Super light now.
Clear.